Street chatter. Nimesh will get us all the intel from the market and people that he's been speaking with. Nimesh, what are you picking up?
Hi, Prashant. No, so good day for the markets is just holding on to the early morning gap up, and all the indices are up 2%. The good part is today's rally is led by the financial. So the bank Nifty is up to more than 2.5%, but there is a lot of buzz or a lot of flows as well into large cap bank names. So that's clearly the sector of the day, and there is a bit of tailwind as well, right? I mean, there is rate cut, there is easy liquidity, and also the fact that HDFC Bank and a couple of other banks have gone ahead and cut the deposit rate. So that's the reason why you've seen a bit of momentum back in the financial stocks today. From a flow perspective, again, it's a mixed day, not very large buying or very large selling. It's little biased towards buy flows, and within that, the real estate stocks and some banks, some autos are well bid. So that's one sector which is getting well bid by the institutions today. 23,300 is the level to watch as a near-term resistance. Beyond that, I guess the next level to watch on the upside will be 23,800 on a technical basis. So that's the level to watch. But clearly, the momentum seems to be with the bulls now, and leadership is back with the financial stocks.
Right, and individual stocks, what is it that you're picking up, Nimesh?
Well, Mangalam, there is a lot of buzz in the market today, and that generally happens when there is a lot of momentum in broader market names. The first stock on my list today is 361 Wealth, which is erstwhile IFL Wealth. That's been buzzing in trade. The volumes on the higher side. Looks like the HNI interest is back. And also there is a strong buzz that maybe you'll hear a corporate development very soon. A potential stake sale to a global wealth company. That's the buzz as far as 360 Wealth is concerned. So that's the first stock. The second stock is IndusInd Bank. Out of the blue, that stock is buzzing in trade. The volumes are on the higher side. I understand some HNIs are again actively buying into IndusInd Bank at these levels. But also for IndusInd Bank, the very near-term trigger would be the auditor's report. That is potentially likely to come this week. So that's something to track there. The third stock is Samvardhana Motherson. Sud spoke about the tariff impact and it's been buzzing with the auto names. But within the auto stocks, Samvardhana stands out in terms of very high delivery-based buying. And also there was a Morgan Stanley tactical buy today. So that's helping Motherson Sumi today. And the last stock is JSW Infra. Well, the stock is up today, but I understand there is delivery-based selling happening for the last couple of days, and that stands for today as well. So while the stock is up, there is this upside has been used by some larger institutions to sell into this rally in JSW Infra.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, and congratulations. You gave us a heads up about IDFC first as well as Adani. Both of them were looking to raise some money, and that announcement has come. They have the board meeting that's scheduled in the next few days. So good on you, Nimesh. Another one to the kitty.
Nigel, if I can just, this 361, the one that you highlighted, Nimesh, stake sale, right? What you're picking up? I mean,
that's the buzz that maybe a large global MNC,
a strategic one, a financial one,
a strategic one, an MNC, a global MNC player is likely to buy a reasonably, I wouldn't say substantial because that would trigger an open offer, but a sizable stake is what I understand that a global wealth company is likely to buy into 361.
Oh, wow. We've been hearing for a while global wealth companies wanting a foothold in India. I mean, they have been operating, but of course, they've been small. I mean, it's the local guys who've really done very well. The cities, the UBSs of the world have been here around for a while, but without making too much of a dent. But maybe now is the time. Strategic and a global MNC wealth player is what Nimesh is pointing out. That's 361. Thanks very much, Nimesh, for that. At the bottom of the